Introducing the Purple Restore Mattress, an exceptional blend of cutting-edge sleep technology and comfort engineering. This innovative mattress has been meticulously designed to transform your nightly slumber into an experience of unparalleled relaxation and support. With its GelFlex Grid technology, temperature balancing features, and durable construction, the Purple Restore Mattress promises to elevate your sleep quality to new heights. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Innovative GelFlex Grid technology. One of the standout features of the Purple Restore Mattress is the GelFlex Grid technology. This unique grid immediately flexes to accommodate your sleeping position, ensuring that you're supported and comfortable throughout the night. What's particularly impressive is how it springs back into place as you readjust, preventing that sinking feeling often associated with other mattresses. This responsiveness is a game changer for those who tend to toss and turn during the night. Number 2. Temperature regulation. Sleeping hot can be a real issue for many individuals, but the Purple Restore Mattress addresses this problem effectively. The GelFlex Grid has the remarkable ability to draw excess heat away from your body, promoting an optimal sleeping temperature, so you can rest easy without waking up in a sweat. Number 3. Pressure relief and support. The combination of GelFlex Grid with adaptive comfort foam layers and a responsive coil core results in exceptional pressure relief. The proprietary design of the GelFlex Grid conforms to your body, cradling pressure points and promoting ideal alignment. This means you can say goodbye to waking up with aches and pains. Number 4. Edge support. Edge support is often overlooked, but it's a crucial aspect of any mattress. The Purple Restore Mattress features a durable foam edge that seamlessly integrates with the edge-to-edge coils, providing outstanding support even at the periphery of the mattress. This feature enhances the overall stability and durability of the mattress. Number 5. Durability. The Purple Restore Mattress is built to withstand night after night of use. The GelFlex Grid's hyper-elastic polymer material is not only flexible, but also incredibly strong. Combined with the enhanced edge support and durable coil core, this mattress is designed to stand the test of time. Number 6. Available options. The Purple Restore Mattress is available in both soft and firm options, catering to a variety of sleep preferences. Whether you prefer a plush, sink-in feel, or a firmer, more supportive surface, Purple has you covered. Dimensions. Product dimensions 80 inches, length by 60 inches, width by 11.5 inches thick. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Innovative GelFlex Grid technology for responsive support. Effective temperature regulation for cooler sleep. Exceptional pressure relief and ideal alignment. Durable edge support system. 1 reason not to buy. Relatively higher price point compared to some competitors. Conclusion. The Purple Restore Mattress is a game-changing product that lives up to its promises. With its innovative GelFlex Grid technology, temperature balancing features, and exceptional support and pressure relief, it's an investment in your sleep quality and overall well-being. Whether you opt for the soft or firm version, you can expect a rejuvenating night's sleep on this mattress. Purple has truly leveled up the mattress game with the Purple Restore. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.